We're looking at quantum computing, right? In the world of quantum computing, it's micro, you cannot even see the computing device, right? You need a microscope to see the computing device, and you're not talking about bits, you're talking about qubits, which can store data in multiple levels. You're talking about binary, zeros and ones, right? Here we're not talking binary. It can have multiple states, and at multiple states, you can store data on the same plane, right? So the amount of data that can be stored, amount of data that can be churned in a small environment, right, has exponentially increased in the last 10 years, right? I'll give you another example of coming back to analytics and why analytics play such a big role, right, in things that we do on a daily basis. Everybody heard of Dabbawalas? Yeah? What is analytics in it? The guy who is delivering dabba, forget analytics, he doesn't know A. He's 8th standard fail. Right? Yes? Where's analytics in it? Any idea? Sorry? Sir, even the top guy doesn't know analytics. He doesn't know how to do it. Pawan Agrawal or Kedai, nobody knows analytics. He got his doctorate degree honorary. Analytics, anybody? Dabbawala? Let's figure out. What happens in Mumbai Dabbawala? Right? Your first Dabbawala collects the lunch bus from the house, right? Marks it with a unique code, which looks something like this. Right? It's got station code, it's got something which only they will understand, right? And then each of them meet at a designated place. These boxes are grouped, they're put into local train, Mumbai local train, right? The second Dabbawala marks the carriage to represent the destination. Yes? And then these markings at the destination point is taken by a different Dabbawala, right? Third one travels along with the dabbas, right? The fourth one picks it up, gives it to the husband who wants to have lunch. Yes? Let's look at what Pawan said.
Friends, everybody, good evening. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you,
Dr. Pawan Agrawal,
TDX, SSM, giving me opportunity on behalf of Dabbawala. For the first time in my life, after 550 sessions, I am delivering first time in 18 minutes. Give me best wishes. I'll complete it.
I'm not going to show the entire 18.
Friends, as far as Mumbai Dabbawalas are concerned, in Mumbai, these people are excellent. I am going to speak about the story. Believe me, you will learn a lot, provided you must have that passion to listen to them and to follow them, how they are working in Mumbai, friends. Basically, many people believe that Dabbawalas means they are caterers. Let me tell you, Dabbawalas are not caterers. Tiffin is yours and food contained in this is also yours. What we are doing in Mumbai, we are delivering your tiffin from your home to workplace before lunchtime. And lunch is over, we will deliver empty tiffin in the evening at home on the same day. It means we are doing 2 deliveries in a day. Friends, in Mumbai, you cannot carry tiffin yourself. The reason, you start very early morning in the morning. Even you want to reach at home 9 o'clock, you may start 6 o'clock. You don't want your mother or wife should cook 5 o'clock. So you cannot carry, you should carry your tiffin. Second reason, you cannot carry tiffin. The reason, crowded local train. In Mumbai, it's very difficult to board in local train with empty hand. Taking tiffin is out of question for you. You cannot carry yourself. So you want Dabbawala in Mumbai to carry your tiffin. We believe that home cooked food is most hygienic food. The reason, it have love and affection of your mother and wife. So we want you should eat home cooked food. That is Mumbai Dabbawala. Friends, these people believe in God, Ganesha, Jnaneshwara. They are Warkari Sampradaya people. This business started before 1890. हिंदी में कहा जाता है, हम अंग्रेज जमाने के जेलों तो नहीं है, लेकिन हम अंग्रेज जमाने के डब्बे वाले जरूर है. Because we are delivering from 1890, friends, 1890. In 1891, Dabbawala, one customer, as on today we will see, we are having 5,000 Dabbawalas and 200,000 customers. It means one Dabbawala can carry 40 tiffins. That is the maximum weight he can carry. That can have 60-65 kg they are carrying. In crowded local train in Mumbai, friend, they all are average 8th grade schooling. 50% Dabawalas are illiterate. They do not know reading, writing, but suppose they want to deliver tiffin in SSN college, being illiterate, they know this is SSN, because tiffin should be delivered in SSN. Literacy of work, friend traveling 60 kilometers, 70 kilometers, 8 to 9 hours they believe ownership of 8 to 9 hours, but morning 3 hours are war time. Why?
That's Mumbai Dabbawala. You know the biggest thing in Mumbai Dabbawala, the analytics part of it? Everybody heard of Hadoop? Yeah? Hadoop has two parts, the Hadoop file system, right? And something called MapReduce. Yes? Yes, no? I'm going to ask questions if you don't respond. So, yes, no? Yes, it is. Right? But the Mumbai Dabbawala used MapReduce over 100 years before Google could ever find that out. Right? Analytics is that important, and Mumbai Dabbawala is one of the first organization invited by Prince Charles, right, who got Sigma 6. Six Sigma. Yes? That's a part of analytics. Today, what they started about 100 years back, okay, is actually revolutionizing the world, big data, which works on commercial hardware, right? Analytics today have taken many roles. According to Harvard Business Review, an analytics role is supposed to be the sexiest job role in the world, right? The data scientist, the need for professionals in data science in the industry is growing. The 21st century sexiest job is supposed to be a data scientist job, right? The demand at this point outpaces the supply, and that's why the highest salaries in the world today are for data-driven scientists.
Data analysts connect dots. They see patterns, trends, and possibilities in many types of data. The Master of Science in Business Analytics at Michigan State University prepares analysts to gather data, interpret it, and use it to improve, innovate, and gain advantage for organizations. 90% of the world's data has been generated in the last 2 years. The world can't keep up with this amount of data, and the demand for analytical professionals is skyrocketing. By 2020, business analyst jobs are expected to increase by 22%. But the US will have a shortage of 190,000 of these professionals, with up to 1.5 million jobs needing big data management knowledge. Because in every field of work, there's data.